And the race is on. Bangge, Tiger Rapid, Shades of Red, Panamera on the further outside. And moving up is Boss Pogi. Good move down on the inside, rushing up is Hammer. It home. Bangge, Tiger Rapid. Alongside is Shades of Red, rushing up is good move. Boss Pogi, Strong Boy on the further outside, 6th position. Panamera, hammer it home down in 8 by Darrell. As they pass the half-mile post, Bangge, and on the outside is Shades of Red. Tiger Rapid, Strong Boy is racing on the outside, good move. And rounding the far turn, Shades of Red by a neck. Strong Boy is on the outside. Good move, racing in third by Darrell is Bangge. As they race the final corner, is Strong Boy, Shades of Red down on the inside. As they race the last 250, Shades of Red down on the inside. And is Strong Boy on the outside. Good move in the middle. Is Strong Boy, Shades of Red down on the inside. Shades of Red, Strong Boy, Shades of Red. Is Strong Boy, Shades of Red down on the inside. And finally, is Strong Boy, Shades of Red. Good move, hammer it home, Panamera, and number 10, Rampage.
Mukhang 7